Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in daily. Then we're going to go to 4 hours. Then after that, we're going to go to 30 minutes. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end if you want to know exactly where is the Bitcoin going. So let's start it. As you see here, the Bitcoin gave us here a pin bar. After that break will happen here. People, they've been with us. If you don't watch the last video, my advice to you, go and watch it now. After the break will happen here, the Bitcoin it went up till here. Now it gave us here that pin bar here. What that pin bar indicating? It's indicating that the market is going to reverse. That how else we reading those charts, guys. But should you enter short now or close the short position? No, we need to wait in what's going to happen tomorrow, because that one here is Monday candle. That candle will finish here. It's Monday candle. You need to remember that. And in the last video, watch me, I told you here. I told you we got here a very stronger symmetric triangle. I told you if it doesn't get in broke here, there is no entry. Did it break? No, my friend, look at it. It came here and gave us here a pin bar. That means there is no power to break here above. Now, I think from here it's going to fall down again to here. Because why? If you're looking with me here, what you see in here? Over here, we got a support or a resistance. It's being broke here. Now, I think that one is going to come here to touch it again to show us that break, it's real, not fake out. That way, me, I told you, it's going to come down till here. You get the picture now what I'm trying to tell you? So now, for long-term investors, what should you do? You need to wait in that break here to happen, as you see it. Because till now, it doesn't being broken here. So till now, there is no entry long, guys. You need to remember that. And also here in the daily, what else we said in Friday? By the way, if you are new, us every Friday we put in the analysis for option. Where is the Bitcoin is going to go, where to put the puts, where to put the calls. We said down here at 16k, and we said above here at 18k. That where they are majority of the strike, guys. For the calls, they are above here at 18k. Here for the puts, they are here at 16k, as you see it. And the Bitcoin is going to finish the week inside here. That's the view. Because till now, there is no big volatility inside the market. If you came here and we see in the volume here, what you see? Where it happened, the volatility when FTX collapsed. After that, what you see in here? If you try to do it from here, it give you here, always is getting lower and lower. That's why you don't see a big volume till now enter into the market. Now, guys, let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow. So let's go in there. For tomorrow, that's what we got. And that week is a very, very busy week by the news. At 2 o'clock GMT time, we got Fed Chair Powell's speech. So you need to be careful about that person because he's the most dangerous person in the world. Then we got at 5 o'clock, here short-term energy outlook. So that one is going to tell you how much Americans they paying for energy. Also, we are not going to enter here to stock market. And here, our friend, that table also we follow every day. What it telling us here? Look at it. All US stocks, they close in the day red. Like how you, if you watch in the previous video about stock analysis, what me I told you try to protect yourself because today is Friday. And that's what it's showing here. All of them, they close red. The only one which is not red is the Nasdaq. Then our friend here, the VIX. What it telling us? The VIX is telling you it's still a little bit of scarcity inside the market. It's very, very clear here. Still a little bit of scarcity inside the market. Plus the dollar index, we make very nice profit today trading the pairs against US dollar. As you said, it's still falling down. It closed below that 103 where we used to be before. Now we are 102. It's going to fall down more. Till tomorrow we analyze it for you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. By the way, before we analyzing for you 4 hours. Yes, you. Why not to join our family? Why not? It's not something hard. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it, a bell. Turn it to also like that when you put in something new, you're going to be notified. It's very, very, very easy steps. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Here in the 4 hours, what else we said in the last video? The video where we analyzing the Bitcoin. What else we said here? We said we got here a flag. It's being broken here. Yes or no? What me I told you? I told you do like that, a vertical line in the place where it's being broken, you put it like that. So over here, in that peak here, you see it how I draw it here. Exactly here. You closed 50%. It was very, very close to there. But it couldn't. Why? Why he couldn't close above that level? Because over here, look with me here. Even here, you got a very stronger supply and demand zone here and here and here. Over here, he show you that candle. Should we protect ourselves? Yes, my friend, protect yourself now. Because you are in a very stronger level here. And that level here, it show you here a pin bar. You don't know what's going to happen. Maybe from here it's going to fall down. So try to protect yourself for always to stay in the safe side. And here, what else we said? We said we got here a up channel like that. Look at that. It came upward, it touching the top of it. Now it's showing it falling. So maybe it's going to fall down again till here to touch it here. That's why I told you protect yourself. Because if you look in here, you got here a very stronger resistance. It's being broken here. Now it might, that one is going to come back to touch it again here in the top. Then after that, maybe it's going to go up and to break for you the last high. But now what should you do? To protect yourself. I'm going to tell you why you should protect yourself now. Let's go into our indicators to see why. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it enter here to the overbought area. People they been with us for some time now. They know that indicator, it doesn't enter to the overbought and oversold area. Very, very, very rare. And when it enter, is a huge signal the market is going to reverse. And that's what it's doing now. It enters to the overbought area. So the people they enter long, try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself now. In the coming videos, I'm going to tell you if there is any short position is going to come or no. Now you sell what is equal your investment. You are in profit now. Sell what is equal your investment. Remember that. Sell what is equal your investment. Because in swing trading, not like long-term trading. Everything is too clear? Now let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. For picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it enter here to the overbought area. That's why I told you, try to protect yourself. Because if you look in with me here, look here, in that level here, what you see? Look here, here, and here. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Last time from here, it take long till it break it here. And now you are in it again. Now is the right time for you to try to protect yourself. We don't know what's going to happen. Maybe from here it's going to fall down to touch that 200 moving average. And after that it's going to go higher again. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. And no one can know exactly. And here what we got. Look with me here. You got here like a wage now. Yes or no? You see it? If you came to that peak, that one, and that peak, that one, you got a wage. That one for you to enter short, it need to come to break down here. That for entering short, and that's what we don't want. We don't want it to come to break down here. Or maybe it's going to give us another price action here. So let's wait until tomorrow what's going to happen. Everything is too clear. By the way, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? Pause the video now and smashing the like button, writing down a comment. So family, they supporting each other. Please support us. Then you done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what else we said in the last video? We said like that. Said we got here a mega phone. If it's breaking here, you enter short. Did it break? Yes. It's break. It's going to fall down. No one knows. Because also what we told you here in 30 minutes, we told you if you are a conservative person, you're waiting the correction to come down here, to that level here. Then after that, you're looking for a buy opportunity. Because now you are in an uptrend. Look at it. You can't go against the trend. Unless if you don't know what you're doing. So if you are a very conservative person, you're waiting that correction till it came down here. Then you're looking for a buy opportunity. And even here, you got now a price action. Look at it. You got here a mega phone. If it came and breaking down here, yes, you can enter till here till the 200 moving average or near to the trend line, because over here you got a trend line like that. You see it or no? So if you enter short, when it touching here, you need to close the position. Why should you enter short? Let me show you why. If you look in here, our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. I'll show it to you in the 4 hours. Just few seconds ago. Price action. The first price action we used to have here is getting broke now. I got another thing. Let me show it to you. Another thing. Look with me here and look with me here. What you seeing? If you came like that and you came like that, what you seeing? You got a very clear divergence. And over here, that one, it's breaking down here, that level. So if you want to enter short, you can enter short now. Take profit of you. It needs to be here at the 200 moving average. Show you everything I told you. Even here, you got a trend line like that. When it's going to touch here, you can enter long again, but till now you need to wait in. For short, yes, you can enter. If you enter short, use the stop lose, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.